In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link docs to tasks in ClickUp, Better Organization 2026. Open your browser and go to clickup.com. If you're already signed in, great, you'll go straight to your workspace. If not, log in using your preferred method, whether that's your email or a connected provider. Choose the option you're most comfortable with and proceed. As a quick reminder, avoid sharing login details on screen and keep your credentials private. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation, and near the top of that sidebar, you'll find your spaces. Spaces are the highest level of organization in your workspace, so pick the space that contains the work you're focusing on today. This helps make sure you're linking the right items in the right place. After selecting the space, navigate to the list that contains the task you want to connect with a doc. Lists organize related tasks, so opening the correct list will make the next steps faster. If you have a lot of lists, use clear naming and filters to narrow things down. Inside the list view, look toward the far right side of the task area and click the plus button. This button opens options you can add to your task. Choose Link Docs. You'll see a search bar and a selection panel so you can quickly find the doc you need. Start typing the doc's name to filter results, or browse if you prefer. Make sure you're selecting a doc from the correct workspace or folder, especially if your team keeps similar templates in different places. When you find the right doc, select it to create the connection. The task is now linked to that doc. You'll typically see the linked doc appear directly within the task details under a docs or related section, and you can open it in a new tab to keep your workflow moving. The link is live, so any updates made in the doc will be reflected the next time you open it. If you don't see the doc, double check that you have access permissions and that you're searching in the right location. That's all there is to it. Go to ClickUp, sign in, open the right space, choose the correct list, click the plus button, select Link Docs, and attach the doc you need. This small habit keeps your task context centralized, reduces tab switching, and helps teammates find everything faster. For consistency, consider using clear doc names and keeping related docs in shared folders so they're easier to locate later.